Good day, my dear friends. I'm Mrs. Rupa Shanbhag, a numerologist trained under Dr. Vivek Mantri. When I wanted to learn numerology, I was very confused because there were so many people out there who were teaching numerology at very cheap rates, and within 2 hours or 3 hours, they promised to finish the workshop. And I thought numerology was just a play of numbers. But when I decided blindfoldedly to follow Dr. Vivek Mantri, trust me, my dear friends, my trust was totally justified, and I knew Dr. Vivek Mantri would justify it because I have already learned NLP and past life regression therapy under him, and I knew how extensive his course would be. The course was spread in 23 days. His workshop was spread in 23 days, and mind you, my dear friends, each and every aspect of numerology was so well explained, and none of secrets were kept aside. uh, he himself, being an expert, he dedicatedly and devotedly has inculcated each and every aspect of numerology into us, and he saw to it that we could do proper consultation, proper counselings in numerology. And until and unless he was not satisfied that we could do it by, he has given so many assignments in between, and rigorous practice has made us perfect, and the credit goes to Dr. Vivek Mantri. Totally grateful and very indebted to Dr. Vivek Mantri for giving me so much confidence into being a good numerologist. Thank you so much.